Thank you so
December is
much.
a month and there's
Yes.
so much, festivity, and the song has received such wonderful accolades. What do you have to say?
Well, I think it's definitely December to remember. जब हर साल शुरू होता है, me and Prakriti sit down together and we make a list of things that ये करना है, ये करना है, ये करना है, ये तो definitely करना है. Coming back and looking back at 2022, I don't think there's a better way to end the year. Badsha has been somebody that we've been wanting to do a collaboration with इतने सालों से, and I'm so happy it's come through with Kya Se. So thank you so much.
This song looks so wonderful. It's shot so beautifully. Very different vibe with Bacha. How was the whole experience?
Well, I think the experience for us has been more of like a learning experience than anything else. Because everything that you see in the video is also a first for us. I remember saying this to our director Amit, who's from Kerala. He shot some of the biggest South Indian music videos, and the whole team was so new for us. And I remember seeing the footage on the monitors and saying कि एक तो आवाज़ पहचान में नहीं आ रही, ऊपर से ये look पहचान में नहीं आ रही, गाना किसका है, because the whole transformation has been so real. We've tried to be very true to the song. The composer of the song, Chamath, who has also composed Mani Ke Mage Hite, that Sri Lankan flavor had to come through. Sri Lanka नहीं जा पाए तो हम केरला चले गए, but we've tried to keep that flavor as much, and it's getting so much love. Everyone is seeing the video and saying that it looks like an absolute visual delight, and the song is sticking with them. बहुत hooky लग रहा है उनको song, and बहुत लोगों से हम नहीं मिल पाए because we've been really packed with work, but जितने भी लोगों से मिल पाए industry से, I think they've been saying such amazing things about the song, and yeah, it's just begun. December is not over yet.
हमने इतने प्यारे BTS देखे हैं आपके, water and such lovely locales, and Bacha and you all are chilling. It was like fun.
Felt like a holiday, really.
Yeah, 100%. I think there were so many moments during the shoot. एक तो actually the most interesting part was that हर location, मतलब ऐसा नहीं कि दो location है, तीन location. There are a lot of different locations. Every location के लिए we had to do a little bit of a trek for 15 minutes with the घाघरा and the hair and the makeup सब पकड़ के.
And
no shoes.
पहला वीडियो जिसमें हमने जूते ही नहीं पहने, क्योंकि पहनते तो खराब हो जाते, हमारे आउटफिट्स भी खराब हो गए थे, but the whole experience has been so beautiful. There were times where the sun was setting and we were in the middle of such beautiful landscape and rocks and pura dense forest tha, so first they said that there's going to be like a lot of, you don't know who's coming, there could be wild elephants, there could be wild animals and insects. पूरी आधे क्रू के तो मतलब खून निकल रहा था because there were just leeches getting stuck on everyone's feet.
And उनको निकालने के लिए like it was crazy, but I think also hats off to Badsha जो उन्होंने किया है. मतलब when you see the footage, we've all personally, there's a whole team like taking him in the middle of the waterfall, वो rocks पे चढ़ के tree की log पे चढ़ के उन्होंने क्या नहीं किया है, तो मतलब बहुत मज़ा आया है, and it's always going to be an amazing experience that will be very close to our hearts.
The song has a beautiful melody. It's very unique in its texture and the sound and everything. So tell us about the new age sound which is coming, and you guys are doing fantastically well in that space, and especially with Bacha, this collab is like something to remember.
I think we, Sukriti and I, every time we are looking at making a song or, composing it from the start, या फिर अगर हम किसी के साथ collaborate करते हैं, the whole idea is to always kind of do something new. Of course, हम बहुत लोगों से inspire भी हैं, but I mean at the same time, the whole idea is कि हम ऐसा कुछ कर सकते हैं जो दूसरे songs से थोड़ा different है. And I feel like when I heard Kya Se, the whole journey of Kya Se has been a year long. I still remember when Jugnu released, we met Bacha. We went for a little drive, and he's always been that support system for us where we play him all our music.
And he always tells us कि ये मत करो, इस पे काम करो, ये नहीं करो. So it was that kind of a thing, and we played him. So Chamath, who's made the song, he had sent me a draft of Kya Se, and वो अपनी ही language में Sinhalese, Sri Lankan language में, हाँ sorry, उनमें वो कुछ ऐसे बोल के उन्होंने क्या से अपने आप ही गाया था. क्या से का मतलब कुछ नहीं था.
गाने ऐसे ही बनते हैं, जब आप कंपोज करते हो तब हिंदी इंग्लिश समझ नहीं आता, कुछ बोल ऐसे बोलते हो जो it just sticks through. And of course he doesn't know Hindi, तो वो जो उन्होंने हुक में कैसे गाया था या कैसे गाया था, And we played with Bacha and we were just like, this is really cool, this is something we really want to work on. कुछ अलग है and exciting है क्योंकि ऐसा कुछ बहुत टाइम से हमने सुना नहीं है. So he was just like, यार ये तुम्हें करना चाहिए. Little did we know at that time that he will, write the song and feature in it. But the best decision I think of this entire thing is that he really got stuck on that kya se because it's just different, and the whole song talks about, now he's made a story for it, but the whole idea is like say what, and there's 2 words का hook which is very different and new.
वायरल के साथ आपकी जर्नी बहुत ब्यूटीफुल है और बहुत ब्यूटीफुल जा रही है. टेल अस समथिंग अबाउट दैट.
Well, I think Viral Originals has been our music family for a very long time. From the start, I think जब से हमने non-film music करना शुरू किया है, they have been, our biggest support system. And the first song we did with them was in 2019 called Mafia. And तब से लेके अब तक, I think क्या से is our 10th single with them. And I think the journey will continue. It's been a beautiful one. They have an amazing team. Everybody is so amazing, and I feel like जब उनका vision और हमारा vision same होता है, that's what you need in a label. And they've been very very supportive, and there's a lot of exciting stuff that's coming up.
शूट में जो अभी आपने बात की elephants, white animals.
Yeah.
So there is Lakshmi also played a very major role
Yes,
in that. Please tell us
100%.
about the elephant Lakshmi.
Well, I don't know. I think for me and Prakriti, for the longest time, अगर मुझे कोई भी पूछता था, what is your favorite animal, I would always say elephant, because they've always, elephants are very emotional, very intelligent,
And
very
maternal also.
Yeah, very maternal.
And extremely sensitive. And ये हमें पता था, but obviously एक तो यार ये जो elephant है, वो बहुत ही प्यारे elephant, उनका नाम है कालिदास. I feel like he's the real star of the video.
And he's in Bahubali and a
Guys,
lot
he's
of
a
other
Bahubali
movies.
elephant, okay?
He's a
So-
real celebrity.
Already हम ऐसे थे कि यार like, and it's a very big deal क्योंकि जहाँ पे हमने शूट किया वहाँ पे पुष्पा एंड बाहुबली एंड ये सारी मूवीज ऑलरेडी शूट हो चुकी हैं, बट वो एलिफेंट उस केव्स में वापस after
7 साल के
सात
बाद. So where in the forest no elephants were allowed. So for the jinx was broken with this music video where the elephant came back in the forest after 7 years. But
and
I
also
think
Kalidas blessed us also very beautifully. उसका हमने एक reel डाला Instagram पे and I had no idea. It was just a feeling we can't really describe because it was just the best blessing on the set of a song.
But he has a full schedule. मतलब 3 o'clock he comes to the shoot, then 3 to 5 he will eat, then he will nap for 2 hours.
then there's a shower time, bathing time. So sir star है.
Yeah, so we had to go according to him, but anything for him. I think getting on top of that elephant was the scariest part. That too in a sari, but
मेरी हिम्मत नहीं हुई थी इसलिए मैं नीचे थी and Suku was like पहली बार मैं एक एलिफेंट से मिल रही हूँ वो भी म्यूजिक वीडियो के सेट पे, तो मैं कर रही हूँ जो भी करना है.
Getting the song and sharing with students, there's so much good vibe going
Yeah.
on. You've been traveling all over. आज आप यहाँ आए हैं college में. What would you like to say?
I think it's so amazing and nostalgic even for us because we were in Mithi Bai, which is right opposite, and we were there for our junior college, and we were just in the car coming, and I was just like, Prakriti, get off your phone, just look around, where are we? Because we spent, I think, our best memories, just being here, and we used to work for the college fest too. So I think it's beautiful, and we just love meeting people and sharing our journey and sharing our music. I think that's the best feeling ever. कल 11 बजे मतलब मैं तो 8 बजे उठ जाऊँगी, पर आई एम वेरी वेरी एक्साइटेड. आई थिंक हर सिंगर का ड्रीम होता है कि एक दिन एक शाहरुख खान की मूवी के लिए गाना है, एंड आई फील लाइक इट्स माई फर्स्ट सॉन्ग एक्चुअली विद विशाल एंड शेखर. सो आई एम वेरी एक्साइटेड. मैंने वीडियो नहीं देखा है, मैंने गाना 1 साल पहले गाया था एक्चुअली, सो थोड़ा याद है, बट यू ऑल विल लव इट. आई थिंक दिस इज़ द शाहरुख खान सॉन्ग बिकॉज इट्स अ टाइटल ट्रैक. गाने का नाम है झूमे जो पठान. And I think it's going to be the first time I'm singing for Deepika. And I think for me, सबसे बड़ी highlight है that it's a duet with my favorite and the one and only Arijit Singh. So I'm very excited.
And आप दोनों ही सिस्टर के गाने बहुत ही पसंद आते हैं लोगों को, लेकिन ये कितना बड़ा मोमेंट है आप लोग के लिए एंड सेलिब्रेशन के लिए कितना रेडी है आप दोनों सिस्टर?
I think मुझसे ज़्यादा एक्साइटेड मेरे डैड हैं आज. सो इनफैक्ट ही इज़ वेरी एक्टिव ऑन ट्विटर एंड एवरीथिंग. उन्होंने एक्चुअली सुबह देखा, मैंने बताया था कि मे बी शायद आप संग द टाइटल ट्रैक, But everybody is so excited. I am so excited. I've been looking forward for Pathaan for so long. And the first song, Besharam Rang, is everybody knows it's everybody's favorite already. But can't wait to see Shah Rukh in action, and just hope everybody loves the song.
Super, great.
But we've learned to have fun with it now. So it's yeah, like tomorrow when somebody comes to me for a picture at the airport and they congratulate me for something she sung, I'm going to say thank you. Yeah. Take that picture, post that story also as Sukriti, so it's fine. We made it way of life.
Okay, so with that we got. Please tell us about your journey. Like you have got till here and you're so young. Both are like 27 years old right now.
Is that young?
That's young. That's pretty young. That's
You
pretty
guys are
young.
younger than us.
But still, to be there where you are at 27 is a great thing. How did you all do it? Please tell us some story about it.
Wow, this is a very deep question, guys, and a long one for sure. But I think, with Prakriti and I, we moved to Bombay at the age of 9 or 10. We also have an elder sister, Akriti, who's also a singer. So she was always the first singer in the family, and my entire family moved to Bombay in 2005, I think. That's when we all moved here. But we went to Mithi Bai. I think a lot of people don't know this, but we were just like right opposite here. We finished our junior college, and after that we started singing for a lot of these ads that you see. So I think it was actually very importantly because of festivals like this that we would host and we would perform at, and how a lot of celebrity judges would come. We did that,
I did that for so many years, and I think college and school is so important because that's your first stage. That's when
Correct.
you have encouraging friends, you have an encouraging faculty, you have professors and teachers who basically put you on that stage because they believe in you. I think it's the best place to come out of your comfort zone and overcome like that stage fright, and I think that's what happened with us. Of course, after that we hustled, like just 18, 19-year-old kids, like studio to studio, audition to audition, lots of rejections, lots of failures, lots of bad days, lots of waking up and just going like, nahi yaar, ye nahi karna hai. Kyunki I think when you choose a creative field like this, I think anybody who's a creative person, you're gonna have the highest amount of highs. Like today is a high because we played our song and we have lovely people like you cheering for us.
So coming on to it, so this is like a big song with Badshah. So how was the experience working with Badshah? Like he's a lot of our favorites. So
Yeah.
please tell us how he's like and how was your experience?
It was amazing. I think if there's one feeling that we all share when it comes to Badshah is that we love him. Whatever he does, whatever music he makes, and I think as an artist, he's that one artist who keeps reinventing himself.
Yeah.
Like I feel like he works so hard for his audiences, which also includes us. Like he'll always give us something new to have fun with.
And I think the best thing about him, according to me, is that constant hunger.
Yeah.
वो feeling है कि यार number one song भी है, then when is the next one that's coming that's also number one. He's never at ease, he's never at rest, he never feels like he has it all. He just wants to keep doing, keep releasing, and he every day works at his art. Every day I think he makes a song. हमें जो सुनने को मिलते हैं वो बहुत कम होते हैं, but I think because I know him, I feel like every day he's making a song, and that's the most important journey. What people like and what people don't like is up to them, but I think as an artist he's winning. Of course, we were pitted against each other also. हमने एक दूसरे के खिलाफ auditions भी दिए हैं एक गाने के लिए. That has also happened. But I think when Instagram came in the picture, we got so much support as we were like Sukriti and Prakriti. Then a lot of people loved us together so much that they kind of coined this name called Supra. And going forward, we started getting so much work as twins. So I think I'm going to thank all our audiences and listeners for putting us together as a brand. I don't think it was our idea ever. But having said that, now that we make music together, it's just so much fun, and I just hope to share so much more music in the coming year. That's a New Year resolution.
Favorites like?
I think when we were growing up, so how old are y'all?
80, 90, 21, something like that.
Wow, amazing. So does that still qualify? 90s? No. Oh yeah. So Okay, so like when I think both of us started enjoying music, it came from a place where indie pop was really big. Like when we talk about Lucky Ali, when we talk about Shan, when we talk about Alisha Chinoy, the music videos hote the. Shan, so many people, they had music videos and they were just musicians putting their like pop music out. I think that's what really inspired us. That's what we actually always wanted to do. But then ऐसा band होता था. I don't know if you all have heard Band of Boys सुना है? Of course, right? नहीं सुना. You all are really young guys. But there was another band called Viva. Okay, this has come on Channel V, and our biggest dream was to like grow up one day and be a girl band.
Yeah.
We couldn't audition to be because we were not 16 years old at that time. But I think pehle in 90s music videos used to be everything. Then of course it was films and just Bollywood music. Now I feel like music videos of course coming back, so cannot be happier to
Yeah, because when in the earlier days when someone used to hear that there's a new song.
Yeah, for this song.
What's your name?
Jignesh.
Hi Jignesh.
Hi.
Okay, so this song, there's so much actually to talk about. Yeah, ek to like two girls who have come from Delhi to Bombay to just make connections, and one day like to just know Badshah as an artist to a friend was a journey in itself, right? I think the day, this is a little bit of a trivia behind the song, but the day Jugnu released is when we met Badshah, and he's just that friend in our life. We keep playing different songs too, and he's always telling us कि ये बकवास है, ये अच्छा है, ये तो करी मत, and different things like that. That's the first day we played him this little tune of Kyasi that he had जो उतना ही था सिर्फ. That's when we played him the song, and he said that forget everything else you're doing, nothing's gonna work, this is gonna be that song that's gonna stand out. And I remember very clearly he called this song a clutter breaker because he was like, ye kuch alag hai, it doesn't sound like any other song. So when he says something, of course for us it's like Bible, matlab sun lo, samajh lo, and just go with it. Little did we know at that time like this song will be with him. So this is like the biggest trivia. Like I think 10 days later he called her and said that वो जो उस दिन गाड़ी में गाना सुना था वो कॉन्सर्ट फिर से भेज. She sent it. Another 10 days after that, he was like, I think I'm going to write on it. So that's how this whole thing came about. Then we went to Chandigarh. Then we went to Chandigarh, and he has a studio there. Then we sat and we recorded this song at 2 a.m. to